Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and the new car series. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to turn this into this for about this amount of money. It's a real easy job. Let's get into it. So this car is actually grey, and I brought it to a workshop to get the black trim around the black vinyl sticker around the top. It used to be grey, but that's black. But to complete the look, I want the window frames to be dechromed as well. Unfortunately, they don't sell a cap for this. I will have to paint this myself. That's another video. And this as well. Now, one of the best things about owning a BYD or a car from China is that there are tons of accessories, and you can get all this from sites like Taobao or Temu. So instead of using vinyl to dechrome my trim, I just went online and searched for dechrome stuff, and I got this. And they come in a box like that. It does say fragile, but it's a bit beat up, as you can see. I hope nothing is broken. If you want this, I leave a link in the description down below. I know when I say that, most of you can't find the links, so just look under the title, hit the more button, and that's where I usually keep all the links to the stuff that I recommend on my videos. This is what it looks like. It comes wrapped up in plastic like that, and it seems like it's a few plastic pieces. It does come with a few wipes to wipe your surfaces, but I'm going to give them a wash before we begin everything. So I'm going to be working on the front one first, and this is just soap water that I am using to get the grime off the trim here. And over here I have some fresh water just to get the soap off. And for those of you wondering why I'm using gloves to wash the car, it's because I've received feedback that you think my hands are too hairy. So yes, I'm wearing gloves so you guys don't get distracted. And lastly, I have some wet wipes, which I'm going to use to wipe down the surface and prep it before I put on the trim. Here I got the trim and this plastic. I've got this one first. And of course, this piece says BYD. So this clips right here. Right, I've opened the hood to give me a bit more space to work. Okay. Now looking at the back, all these are adhesive tapes. All these tapes must come off before I do the rest. So the back of the trim is just these double-sided industrial tape. So it's really simple. You just need to peel off the tape and you're away. This one. And line it up. Oops. Stick it down. Up. And make sure the front part is stuck as well. And there you go. Look at that. If you're wondering how thick these are, you can see it adds just that much plastic to the trim. This one was done earlier on, and this hasn't been capped yet.
And once you're done, it should look like this.
And as always, if you like that tip, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.